another episode of the Pipe Parlor here. Don't have me a smoke loaded up yet, but we'll do that here momentarily. We're going to pull out our little Mark 1 quarter bent Dublin and pack it with some Big Rock Red. Sorry, I am a little bit of a messy packer. Do not have me a leather tray yet. Today we're doing a little video on our Pipes and Pocket Knives series. Today we have a yellow handle case sod buster. This is a 2015 yellow handle sod buster. It is chrome vanadium steel, which is a mixture of chromium and vanadium. We're going to have, this is going to be a 3P episode: pipes, pocket knives, and a hair politics. If you don't mind, I'm gonna go ahead and get us started here. One moment, I'm gonna put I've got some Google Pixel Buds. We're gonna put them in and see if we can't get some better sound quality for my viewers here. Well, I hope y'all can hear me better now, but I'm going to quote, to start with, a line from Jefferson Davis here from his speech in Jackson, Mississippi, that I read in a book written by Shelby Foote. Davis stated, "I know not why this has been so, but this I say, put not your trust in princes, and rest not your hopes in foreign nations for assistance. This war is ours, we must fight it ourselves." What he was trying to speak to the folks was self-reliance on the states through the Civil War. Well, hello, Casper. Sorry, my notebook might be a little girly. In y'all's opinion, I bought this for a girl I was dating, and she decided to abandon me. She didn't want to love me no more, so it's my notebook now. To continue off of that quote from Jefferson Davis, this is my opinion. I am no professional. I'm just here trying to live a honest life as an imperfect human being. J.P. Morgan research analysis stated that Trump's imposition of reciprocal tariffs on a wide range of countries could trigger a global recession. These concerns stemmed from the potential for retaliatory tariffs from other nations, leading to significant contraction in global trade and economic activity. J.P. Morgan projected a 40% up to 60% risk of global recession. J.P. Morgan also cited materially higher risk of a global recession due to U.S. trade policy. My question and concern is every other country in the world relying on and striving off of the American dollar? Trump downplayed recession fears, emphasizing tariffs would strengthen the U.S. economy, creating more jobs. Not only do I ask you, is every other country striving and surviving off of the American dollar, using and abusing us for our money? But are we also diving headfirst into another depression or a third world war? Also, let me ask, how long has every country around the world took advantage of us and lived off of the good old American dollar? It's my only cause of concern. Guys, we done been to the flea market this morning. Woke up at 4:30, got us a thermos full of coffee, loaded up, drove down to the flea market nearest to me. Sold about $100 worth of stuff. Got a little cash in our pocket. We did purchase when we was there too. I purchased a Burlwood buck medium trapper. According to the symbol on the tang stamp, it was made in 2023. And it has never been used, never been sharpened. Beautiful snap. And we've been carrying our case sod buster here. Many of y'all don't know, a sod buster is what my late grandfather always carried. Papa's favorite line was, you'd be out working or doing something and say, Papa, you got your pocket knife? I got my pants on, don't I? Yeah, I hope so. That was his way of saying, of course I got my pocket knife on me. This is also my grandfather's sharpening steel. It is a old Easy Light diamond stone. Super fine, I believe. Yeah, guys, we done been to the flea market and made our way home. After we got home, me and Pops headed out to Hampton Cove. Returned some flooring that he bought that was unable to be used. Come home, fixed us some lunch. Fed dogs and chickens. Tell you what, that chrome vanadium steel is not carbon steel, but it still gets sharp at a razor, boys, girls, women. We've also got a fixed blade, a handmade Damascus steel. You can't hardly see it. If I can get my fat butt up, I'll get you a better look at it. But she is pretty. Damascus with, I believe, micarta or G10 handles. Golly, we're already at 16 minutes. We're going to work on this one and then we'll be dismissed. Dismissing and see what we can do here. Let's get this old limp arm out of the way, you know. Damascus steel knife has no maker's mark, no tank stamp. It is 100% handmade. And I added the leather tassels that swing around like a tassel on a stripper's titty. Works good for flogging the dogs. Whatever. Yeah, sharpen on Papal stone, and I use a little kitchen honing rod like you use on your kitchen knives. You can buy these at most thrift stores for around $2 to $3, and this one comes from a thrift store here in Huntsville, Alabama called The Saving Way for $1. And I bought the stuff at Hobby Lobby and made my own strop. And I use green Jeweler's Rouge on mine to polish and strop. Green Jeweler's Rouge on that suede side of that leather. Polish her up nicely, get mirror finish. I know I don't change my tobaccos up a lot. Been smoking Big Rock Red here for a little while now because that's what bag I opened, and I'm not opening another one until I either smoke all of the Big Rock or have it put somewhere to where it would stay fresh. It was a 1 pound bag. Y'all excuse the whining dog, please. Trigger, hang on a cotton picking minute, you impatient golden doodle. thank you for joining me for another episode of the Pipes and Pocket Knives series. And please comment below your thoughts on the questions I asked. Is everybody striving and abusing the American dollar, living off of us? If our tariffs are going to cause a global recession, are they taking advantage and living off of the good old American dollar? How long have they been doing it, and are we about to enter another depression or a third world war? I'd like to know your thoughts in the comments, please. Be polite. Be smart. Don't go about and lose your head, please. Please don't be arguing with one another in my comment section. I feel like the good old American dollar has been used and abused enough without us fighting over it on some silly YouTube video. Because I gotta get up. I'll finish sharpening this knife here after a while. Finish smoking that bowl here after a while. I've got to get up. Let this dog out before he pees himself or poops in his pen. Thank you to those that have stuck around this long in the video. Please comment below. Let me know where you're from. Those of you that come over from Wenzel's channel, thank you. Glad to have you here. Certainly appreciate you here. Guys, y'all remember one thing. God loves you and I love you. Y'all stay safe. Bye.